Welcome all of you to the YouTube channel of CS Sheikh. In this video, we will come across some practice MCQ related to CHP 110 MSc Semester 1st. CHP 110 is your physical chemistry. Also, these MCQs are useful for set examination or various other entrance examination. These MCQs can be followed up. So please like, share and subscribe this video and do share with your friends. Okay, let's begin with the first question. The concept of matter wave was suggested by Dash. So you are well known about the matter wave. It is none other than de Broglie. The scientist, very famous scientist de Broglie. You can see the options. Heisenberg, he has given the uncertainty principle. Schrodinger is very famous for quantum chemistry. Okay, Laplace is the another scientist in the quantum chemistry, but the most important is the matter wave given by de Broglie. So it was easy question. Let's see the second question. The square of magnitude of wave function is called. As you can see in the question, wave function. This comes under the chapter quantum chemistry, and quantum chemistry doesn't deal with the current density, so that option is neglected. It doesn't deal with the zero density, neither volume density. Only we have studied that is probability density. So the correct answer is square of magnitude of wave function. It is your probability density. Also here another question arises. Square of magnitude of wave function is denoted by. So that is your psi square. You must remember this. Okay. Psi is your wave function and psi square is your probability density. Third question is eigenvalues of a self-adjoint operator is. Now this one is the theoretical question from quantum chemistry. You must remember this. Okay, that is always real. It is never zero. It is not infinite, not imaginary, but it is real one. Okay. Next is quantum numbers are solution of dash. So again you can see the only scientist for the mainly for the quantum chemistry is Schrodinger. So Schrodinger wave equation is the correct answer. Hamiltonian is also one of the important, but mostly we can remember that quantum numbers are solution of Schrodinger wave equation. Which quantum number gives the shell to which the electron belongs? So it is n or l or m or the s. So s is directly neglected, such does not occur. N, L, M. Okay, from that the answer is your N. It is also easier one. Sixth question is which of the following is not a characteristic of wave function? Now very important question. Since here it is underlined in your paper, in your SPPU MCQ exam, it will not be underlined. You have to read the question very properly. Is it asking which of the following is characteristic, or is it asking which of the following is not characteristic? Okay, so here it is not. So firstly, for this answer we must know what are the characteristics of wave function. It must be continuous, single valued, differentiable. These all are the characteristics. So which is not? D option. Physically significant is not the characteristic of wave function. Seventh question is the Schrodinger is differential equation. Whether this is true or false. So this is your false. Why? Schrodinger is partially differentiable equation. You must remember that this is partially differentiable. So it is not completely differentiable as it is mentioned in the question. Okay. Next question is for particle inside a box of finite potential, the particle is most stable at which position of x? Finite potential they have mentioned and particle is inside the box. Okay, so what is the condition? It is L is less than x is less than 0. This is one of the important condition. Next is psi square. The wave function represent the probability of finding the electron. the electron is likely to be found in dash dash. So when the wave function represent the probability where it is likely to found, it is near the nucleus. It is not inside, not far, and none of the above. This answer does not exist. Okay, near the nucleus. So very thank you so much all of you for watching the video. Please like and share. Also subscribe for the latest updates of upcoming videos.